Hi student, this is Sivakumar. 11th standard mathematics chapter number 7, continuation of exercise 7.1. Now problem number 22. Let A and B be two symmetric matrices. Prove that AB that is equal to BA if and only if AB is a symmetric matrix. Here problem number 22, you are given A and B are two symmetric matrices. Since A and B are two symmetric matrices, A transpose that is equal to A and B transpose that is equal to B. We know the condition for symmetric. A transpose equals A, B transpose that is equal to B. We have to prove this result if and only if given. That means by considering AB equals BA, we have to prove AB is a symmetric matrix, and vice versa. By considering AB is a symmetric matrix, we have to prove AB that is equal to BA. So that is the meaning of if and only if. Now case 1. We consider AB that is equal to BA, then we can prove this result. Okay. Consider AB that is equal to BA. To prove that AB is a symmetric matrix. To prove that AB is a symmetric matrix. Now, consider for proving AB is a symmetric matrix, we have to prove AB whole transpose that is equal to AB. So, consider AB whole transpose. AB whole transpose that is equal to, we know the property, that is B transpose into A transpose. That is a property. So, AB whole transpose that is equal to B transpose into A transpose. B transpose that is equal to B. Look at that. And A transpose that is equal to A. So, this can be replaced by B into A. Okay. Let it be number 1 and 2. Here you write the reason, since from 1 and 2. Okay. But the given condition is AB that is equal to BA. So, BA can be replaced by AB. Write the reason also, since BA and AB are equal. So, finally we have proved AB whole transpose that is equal to AB. What it means? AB is a symmetric matrix, which implies AB is a symmetric matrix. Now case number 2. Now we can consider AB is a symmetric matrix. Therefore, AB whole transpose that is equal to AB. This is a condition for symmetric matrix. We have to prove that AB that is equal to BA. How to prove? Here we have AB transpose that is equal to AB. We have AB the whole transpose that is equal to AB. We know that AB whole transpose, the property is B transpose into A transpose that is equal to AB. Since by property. which implies B transpose that is equal to B, A transpose that is equal to A. So this can be replaced by B and A, B, A that is equal to AB since from 1 and 2. So finally we have proved AB that is equal to BA. In case number 2 we have to prove AB that is equal to BA. So from case 1 and 2 finally we have proved AB that is equal to BA means if and only if AB is a symmetric matrix. Hence proved. Again I tell you, if and only if means by considering this condition we have to prove this result. In case number 2, by considering AB is a symmetric matrix, we have to prove AB that is equal to BA. That is the meaning of if and only if. So we have proved the result. So problem number 22 is completed. Then I will be teaching problem number 23 in the next video. Thank you, children.